Hey, good day, good morning, good night. My name is Mackenzie, and I've got a 67 RS Camaro we're going to be showing to you. This is a rally sport that is very, very original. It's out of a long-term collection. Come in, we're going to go for a drive, show you the ins and outs, and tell you a little bit more about this baby. Let's start our cruise out with this window down here. It's about 90 degrees up in Michigan today. Good day to cruise nonetheless. This car is very smooth to start up, put in gear. Initial impressions, A++. It's very comfortable. All right, now even though so much of this car is original, we're going to tell you a bit more about that in just a bit. It's had a laundry list of new bushings and suspension components thrown at it. I think I saw a steering box and pitman arm on this list as well. So it has been refreshed and reconditioned in the handling department. Our power steering works like a breeze, hugging around these turns without issue. We're going to wake up our little 327 here. We'll have to try that again in a second. We got some traffic pulling out. This is a spirited small block. For the base 327, I'm impressed. Sounds really damn good. I think it's got a new exhaust system on it. It runs out smooth and strong. Transmission's doing exactly what it's supposed to do through those couple of gears it has. This is a power glide. Car seems to track straight. Let's check out.
This update brought to us by Antonio's in Roman Village. Still looking at a crash northbound Woodward near Square Lake Road Drive.
Wow. That comes through very clear. We got a blower motor to play with. We'll check this out in just a moment. This thing drives so smooth. We're going to show you how it does that under the hood here in just a second. But I want to get a very close look for maybe an interested buyer. This is an original paint car. We don't find these very often, especially in this type of shape. I think it's a testament to the way this car was cared for. The underside is just as beautiful, guys. It has had some reconditioning over the years, but this paint has not seen anything more than a buff. Now, we get up close on it. These are the worst blemishes you're going to see on the car. There's just a couple stone chips over on the passenger side there. But our grille, our headlight doors, our chrome bumpers with the bumperettes on them, all in impeccable condition for the age. Our RS badging, I love the stripe across the nose of this car. This is really, really stunning. Now, we released the hood just up under the bumper here. There it is. All this detail here. See, it's an original hood. We see all the spot welds. And it hasn't been touched up or tampered with. Got a 327 small block. This one was rated at 210 horsepower. And this is the original engine in the car. So we have a numbers matching drivetrain. As we look through the receipts, there's a good bit of paperwork with this car. There's several new components over here to keep it running like new. It's new hoses, clamps, some bushings up in the front end for suspension, and a laundry list of others we'd be happy to share with you. But some things to note. This one has power brakes as well as power steering. And it's a light little car. It drives very nimbly. Delco topper on the battery looks great. Our inner fenders, everything. Nothing in here shows sign of age. If you get a close-up look at the trim tag, you notice it's original fasteners holding that in place. Got a really slick pinstripe on this one here. It's just painted on, looks very nice. Wheel arch moldings, we got some rally wheels with the white walled tire. Very, very slick. Coming down, we have some factory badging, both in our 327. And these are all the original gaps this car left the factory with. They look very, very nice. All our glass appears to be original as well. The dates add up. This thing as straight as can be. all the moldings, the drip rails. It's very, very presentable. The rear bumper, same as the front. It does not really show its age. It looks very, very nice, almost in a like new condition. Bumperettes look good. See just a little scuff here on it. I'd like to pop our trunk for us. Got some original stickers up on the underside of the deck lid. A very clean trunk compartment here. Got a full-size spare with our jack and our lug wrench and the mat in here. You see all this speckle spray in here, looking very sharp. Underside of the deck lid is in very nice shape. There's no sign anywhere on this paint or body with oxidation coming through. I'm talking about bubbles or the start of them, at least. Nothing of the sort. Pretty hips on here. Good fitting door on this end. Very smooth opening doors. Excellent door cards. I like how the top half of these doors are painted black, as is our dash pad. Now inside of here, we've got the original seat covers. These things are in amazing shape. The floor mats, the carpet, our steering wheel, the console, the shifter. This is a really, really well kept car. We look in the back. You see these rear seats look like they've never been sat in. Our package tray up top there has a rear defroster and a speaker, which is cool. You see our headliner's tight, our dome light is working. And to get into some of the pretty stuff we have to look at in front of us here, just 34,000 original miles on the clock, got a speedo going up to 120, and a big fuel gauge. A neat option. This car has a tilt, which is pretty slick. We've got our Power Glide transmission right down there, and then we have our heater and blower motor controls there. Console, very clean. I'll show you. Glove box is very presentable as well. Original owner's manual, and some other warranty pieces here along the way. Give us a call, send us an email. I'll put all that information down in the description of this video, as well as the link to our website where we put up the full ad, the underbody pics, the stamp-ins, whatever you want to see. Call us or check out that listing. The number is 248-714-2110. And lastly, while you're down there clicking like, subscribe, that's going to get you in tune and in the loop with our newest arrivals, like this Cuddy over here. Come on now. Thank you guys. We'll see you soon.